everyone, I'm Jenny. Today we are in Nanjing to visit the Giga factory. The safety of lithium batteries has always been a major concern in the industry. Now let's go into the workshop to see how high quality, high safety cells are made. Let's go. In the workshop, cells are being built. They are the key component of Huawei SmartLi 3.0.
Dust, burrs, and moisture are the three enemies of cell safety. From the moment you step into the air shower, dust control begins. Covering everything from raw materials to cells, more than 300 measures are taken to control dust and protect the production environment. Over 300 high-efficiency air filters are deployed in the workshop to prevent dust in the environment 24/7. They filter out dust particles larger than 0.5 micrometers in the air, ensuring that the cleanliness of the workshop reaches class 100,000. The slurry is known as the heart of a cell. To ensure safety, it's especially important to remove its magnetic content. Mixing slurry is the first process of cell production, where demagnetizing is a crucial step. After being processed by 4 demagnetizing devices, the magnetic content in the slurry is reduced to less than 50 ppb. Up to 6 short-circuit tests are also performed to detect abnormal cells. In addition to dust, the length of burrs must be strictly controlled. During laser cutting, burrs may occur on the electroplates. So how does the workshop detect burrs? This is a metalloscope with a maximum magnification of 1,000 times. It's performing extremely strict burr detection on the electroplates. The length of burrs must not exceed 7 micrometers. This ensures that burrs do not pierce the separator due to the expansion force, so as to prevent thermal runaway. Moisture also affects the final quality of the cells, so moisture control should not be neglected. This is a double-layer multi-module oven with a total length of more than 140 meters. Preheating, rapid evaporation, and baking at decreasing temperature levels are being performed on the electroplates. The cells are baked for the last time before electrolyte filling. An advanced contact-type baking process is used to control the moisture content on the electroplates to within 300 ppm, meaning that the moisture in 1 kilogram of material is less than 0.15 grams. Also, the dew point in the workshop is controlled to below -40 degrees Celsius. A dew point meter is used for real-time monitoring and warning to ensure that no moisture enters the cells. The consistency of cells is a key indicator for battery quality. The mixing and coating processes account for more than 70% of the cell consistency. The workshop uses an automatic feeding system to keep the material weight error below 0.3%, maximizing the capacity consistency of cells. The high consistency slurry is evenly applied to the electroplates from the precision outlet, each of which is equipped with the micrometer and can be fine-tuned to ensure the density consistency on the surface, achieving an covariance of less than 0.5%. In addition, the coating process is monitored in real time by the industry's leading beta ray thickness gauge, which achieves a measurement error of less than 0.8%. For example, the measurement error of a 200 micron thick electroplate is less than 1.6 micrometers. Plus, the advanced double roller pressing is used, which reduces the rebound rate by more than 50% compared to the single roller pressing, further improves cell consistency and safety. Before cells leave the production line, the capacity, voltage, and internal resistance of the cells are stringently checked. Only the cells with perfect performance can be selected for Huawei SmartLi. Every process, from raw materials to finished products, embodies Huawei's commitment to cell safety and reliability. This ensures a strong power source for Huawei SmartLi to power the digital era forward.